Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at RouterCAM's 3D visualization navigation. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program. So in the previous video we quickly set up this little cutting job or cutting piece, and now we're going to quickly look at the navigation. So we've generated the grid and all of that, and then so we've got this 3D point where we can actually see our tool here. So first things that we want to do is click this little two arrows. This will open it in full screen. You can make it even bigger by clicking expand here, but I'm not going to for now. So then it's easier to see what you're doing than trying to see it on this little area. Then when it comes to the actual buttons and stuff over here, first of all, we've got something for resetting your camera. So if this thing is off screen, you can simply click this and it will bring it back to your viewport. And next up here, we've got the actual nodes. So if we click this button under it, we can see all our node points. So this is nice for if you want to see if you did curve smoothing and stuff like that. It will, how many points it's using and so forth, which is convenient. Then on the actual image, we've got here the red lines is for the travel time, and the blue lines in many cases is the cutting. So it will travel to a certain point, cut, travel, cut. So you can use this also as a kind of a queuing system to see what's happening. Then we have on the bottom here, we've got the little cube. It tells us what's back, what's right, what's up, what's down, and so forth. Also, if you click on one of these cubes, it will snap it to that location. So now we're on the up view. If you're here and you want to see exactly from the right, you click on the R and a step to the right. This is also nice if you want to see the depth and so forth. Then when it comes to the actual navigating of the 3D point or viewport, there's three key things that you always want to look at in a 3D software or to navigate the 3D space. And that is rotation, basically scale you can say, but zooming and panning. So we're going to be looking at rotating around this, panning it, and zooming in and out. So for rotation, we can simply use right click. So we keep it in and then we can move around this space. And then if you want to pan it, so let's say this thing is off to the side here, so it doesn't help you rotating around it now. So then what you can do is you hold your middle mouse button, the mouse wheel, and you keep it in, and then you can pan it to where you want it. And then lastly is zooming. So to zoom in and out, because it doesn't help if we're this far out and you can't see what's happening. So for that you want to use your mouse wheel forward, mouse wheel back. So mouse wheel forward will zoom in, your mouse wheel back will zoom out. Otherwise that is it on the the 3D navigation. I know we squeezed a lot into one video here, but once you play around with those principles, it will become quite natural, quite quick. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.